In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video into your Mailchimp email campaign. If you're looking to make your emails more engaging and interactive, adding video content can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To get started, first navigate to the homepage of Mailchimp, where you'll find a variety of options. The one we're interested in here is the Campaigns section. This area is the heart of your email marketing efforts, where you design, manage, and send out your email campaigns. Now, I know you're eager to embed that video, but hang tight, we're getting there. Once you're in the Campaigns section, take a moment to scan through your existing campaigns. You'll want to choose a campaign you'd like to edit. If you don't have a campaign ready, you might need to create a new one. However, for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a campaign in mind. After you've selected the campaign you wish to work on, you'll see the option to edit the design. Click on this, and you'll enter the editor mode, where the real fun begins. Here, you can add a variety of content, including text, images, and yes, videos, to your email. Now, let's specifically focus on the video part. In the editor, navigate to the content block options. You're looking for the option that allows you to drag and drop a video into your email. Mailchimp has done a fantastic job keeping this tool user-friendly, so even beginners can easily add multimedia elements to their campaigns. Once you find this video content block, click on it and drag it to the desired location within your email layout. Here comes the crucial part: embedding the video itself. After you've placed the video content block, you'll see a prompt asking for a video URL. This is where you'll need your video link handy. If your video is hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, just copy the URL from your browser or use the share option on these platforms. Paste this link into the designated field in Mailchimp. And just like that, you've embedded a video into your email campaign. It's important to remember that Mailchimp doesn't directly embed the video to play within the email. Instead, it generates an attractive thumbnail image. When recipients click on this image, they're seamlessly directed to the video on the hosting platform. This approach is actually quite clever, as direct video playback isn't widely supported in email clients and could increase load times, which might negatively impact user experience. Before hitting send, always preview and test your email. It's crucial to ensure everything appears as it should and that the video link functions correctly, taking recipients to the video without any issues. By following these steps, you can craft more dynamic and captivating emails that really pop in your subscribers' inboxes. And there you have it, your guide to embedding a video in Mailchimp email campaigns. Remember, a successful email campaign relies not just on the content, but on presentation. Video can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal, so use it wisely to heighten your message and foster a deeper connection with your audience. Happy emailing!